I'm writing three sentences here, okay? And accordingly,
Mm-hmm.
I will be teaching you.
Okay.
Sentence number one, for example, he swims well. Sentence number one. I'm writing number two sentence, for example, he is a very good swimmer. Okay, and number three, he now if I ask you clarify the first sentence, how will you clarify? Let's discuss the first one.
Okay, so he is a noun, swims is a
No,
verb, and
no, it's not noun, pronoun.
oh yeah, yeah, my bad. He is a pronoun and swims is a verb and well is an
Verb,
adverb.
correct. This is adverb, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why is
Yeah,
it adverb? Now my next question is why is it adverb?
'cause it's describing like how he swims.
It is talking about the meaning of a verb. It
Yeah,
modifies the meaning of verb. How does he swim? He swims well. First
yeah.
one is done. Now look at the second sentence. Can you clarify the second one?
Uh, okay, he is a pronoun.
Exactly.
Is a verb?
Verb, yeah, that's auxiliary verb, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And
Uh, I think
art- article, okay?
yeah, is article and is
And
very
very
an
and
adverb
good.
or good an adverb? I don't know about that.
Very is adverb according to you? Very is
Yeah,
adverb. Okay, I'm writing. And good,
good. Adjective.
are you sure? Are you confident with your answer?
I think yeah.
Okay. And swimmer is noun, simple, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So what is happening here? What is the role of adverb here? Which role the adverb is playing here?
He's um. I think it's telling the frequency of the verb.
If I ask how much good swimmer he
Yeah,
is
so
a
it's telling us
very
it's
good
very
swimmer.
yeah.
So that means here, very adverb is describing, modifying the meaning of adjective.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it? Right?
Yeah, yeah.
Exactly. Now look at the third sentence. He is pronoun, of course, you know, and
Mm-hmm.
speaks verb. And tell me
Verb.
this too. Quiet is which parts of speech? Quiet.
Adverb.
Adverb. Okay. And first,
Uh, Adjective.
first is adjective. No, it's also
Oh,
adverb.
oh.
All right. So we are here. What responsibility the adverb quiet is playing, doing?
So it's um like it's describing how fast he speaks.
That means here the adverb is describing or modifying the meaning of another adverb.
Yeah.
So now, what is the meaning of adverb? An adverb is a word that describes or modify the meaning of verb,
Mm-hmm.
adjective, and another adverb.
Oh yeah.
That's
Mm-hmm.
why I gave these examples. Okay,
Yeah.
is it clear now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
But isn't like in the second sentence you gave, isn't like very describing good swimmer too?
good, good. See how much good swimmer he is. If I ask this question, how
Mm-hmm.
much good swimmer he is, so you can say he's a very good swimmer. Very good
Okay.
swimmer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it modifies meaning of verb, adjective, and another adverb.